Welcome to another 3-minute tip, and today we're going to have a look at how to import a PDF into Excel. Let's jump into it. Imagine that you have a financial statement that you need to extract some data from. So this is a report that has a number of different data sets and you want to take across some of the data into your Excel sheet. So what we need to do is have a look at the table that we want. So let's select this table, come across to our Excel sheet, go across to data, get data from file, PDF, click onto the PDF, import, and now as it establishes a connection, it's going to come up with all of the different tables and data sets that are inside the PDF. So as you can see, let's click on each of these. You can see and you can go through each of them to see what is the relevant table that you want. Okay, there we go, we have the table. Now you can see the format, it's not exactly the way that we want. We want to change a few things around here. So simply click onto transform data and you will come up with this screen where it establishes connections. So you have the Power Query editor. The first thing we want to do is add this line here, so row 1 as the headers. So you go up to here and you click on use first row as headers. So there you go, we have now the years here. Now we have these two rows here that are not really very useful, so let's just get rid of those. Click on both of that, and we go to remove rows, remove top rows. We can type in the number of rows we want to get rid of, press OK, and there we go, close and load. And we just wait for that to get the external data and bring across the data. There you have it. We have now the data and we can change it into different formats if you want. Format as a table, change it into blue, any other color. And the nice thing about this is that the numbers are brought across. You can actually manipulate your numbers. So say that we want to have a difference between 22 and 21. We just add that in because it's formatted as a table, and we simply go take that away from 21, and there you have it. I hope that you've learned something from this lesson today, and if you did, I would appreciate a like and a subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.